He introduced. My name is Sarah. Here I will read text about Richard Pickings. Happy listening. Richard Pickings. At Hi-Fi, Chain Richardson's, we help along, say founder Julian Richards. They also sell more for square foot than any other retailer in Britain. By Nigel Cobb. Who is the biggest retailer in Britain? Marks and Spencer. Sainsbury, perhaps, or Tesco. Wrong on all three counts. The answer is Richardson's. A little now previously owned Cadbury, retailer of hi-fi equipment with 28 shops in the UK. In the Guinness Book of Records, Richardson warrants an entry for the highest sales per square foot of any retailer in the UK, 17,000 for its store on London Brick Wall in the city. Even taking an average across all 28 stores, Richardson's style clock up 5,718 per square foot, 10 times more than Marks and Spencer, 6 times the sales achieved by Sainsbury. It is profitable too. Sales are up and its operating margin has soared from 3.4% in 1989 to almost 13% today. Last year, Richardson's made profits of more than 3 million on sales of almost 48. The man behind Richardson's success in founder, managing director, and 98% shareholder Julian Richard and 39 years old Lauder Wu. At the age of 40, used to buy and sell candles during the energy crisis of 1974. A likable blue who wears his blonde hair in a ponytail and operates from a small converts Victorian vintage 40 in Bermondsey Sound, East London. He raps out his sales pitch. When even I was at school, I wanted to go into business. He said, but my age was against me. Property was out. I was old enough to seek a contract. Crash we are out. I can't drive. So I went to Hi-Fi, which was catching on at school. I bought a second-hand Bang & Olufsen for £10, did it up and sold it for 22 in 1979 at the age of 90. He opened his first shop, the one on London Brick Wall. Since the little has second, in simple terms, Richardson sold discounted hi-fi for tiny, basic shop with low average stock turnover is rapid and the company's smallness gives it flexibility to take advantage of deals opened by manufacturers on an offline or supplies equipment. The teaching queen has enabled Richard Sound to second itself a like rapid niche in at 4B BN Audivision marks dominates by independents. While leading multiplex stock mainly the mass market, volume selling MIDI system which became popular in the early 1984's Richard Sounds sold only hi-fi separators such as tuners and amplifiers if by ether at offline range which manufacturers are hoping to outlet before the next cosmetically diverse model arrives from Japan's or small order of current models which, perhaps because of put stock management, the manufacturer is preferred to sell at a reduced price. Now, as manufacturers stock control improved, 3/4 of this stock is current models. Suppliers are keen to do business with this quickie retailer. People like Discount and Comment have so many stores, 344 and 262 respectively. The useless you have got 5,000 of a model it's not worth their while putting it into their distribution system. Say Cliff Roberts and marketing director of Akai. With Richard, you can do a deal on 30. Marketing is a key weapon. Richard Sound advertises regularly in national newspaper. We buy, let's pitch at a discount. Richard say. And in alternative magazines such as Private A and which every month it's producing up to 350,000 copies of a brochure using the letters of race. The shops are like will-eat warehouses outside. Bargain bins, taught specials over, including audio catalogs for 59 fee, inside compressed disc player, tuners and speakers from leading names such as Sony. Akai and Marantz are staked from floor to ceiling. Banners hanging from the ceiling proclaim, If you've hands seen it cheaper, will be that price by up to 50. Good service is another property at Richard Sounds. Staff are trained not to be pushy. The all added to training seminar areas at Richard Country House in York Hinds, where more attention is paid to following the correct administrative production. First time, hi-fi buyer get a call to check that they have plugged in the equipment correctly. Customer receipt include a free phone number they can dial if they have a problem. Richard's own name and office number is supplied too. The emphasis in on fun. If it is raining, customers are given a free umbrella. In summer, they get a chilly willy, a type of ice lolly. Other seasonal gifts include mince fish at Chilsard and hot cross pie at Easter. We help along, Richard say. We don't take ourselves seriously, but we do take our customers seriously. So, many reading texts about Richard Pickens. Thank you and see you!